Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and Spyderco knives are one of them. We have a new knife for 2022. This is the Persistence Frn in black, part number C136Pbbk. And before I get into a couple more specifics, make sure to subscribe right now to be alerted for other new products that are going to be released throughout the year. The Spyderco Persistence knife features a 2 3/4 inch blade, and that's made of 8CR13 MOV steel with a black oxide coating. The handle is black fiberglass-reinforced nylon. This is lightweight and weighs 3.3 ounces. It's available with a PlainEdge or a CombinationEdge. It costs $50.50 plus shipping charges. And again, make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted of other new products and deals and specials. Make sure you like this video and please share. Thank you very much.